and gentlemen, the most importantly, my fellow 12th graders. Good afternoon. My name is Anukampa Agarwal, a 12th grader from GBN School 21D. I hope you're all doing well and are as excited as I am about this incredible opportunity we have today. As we stand at the threshold of a major decision making period in our lives, the choice we make now will shape our future careers and personal growth. Today, we are here to explore one such exciting and impactful career path, the legal profession. This session, scheduled for today, Friday, 7th June at 1 p.m., is designed to provide us with invaluable guidance and counseling regarding the pursuit of a legal career. I know many of us are curious and have numerous questions about what it takes to become a successful lawyer, the journey of legal education, and the diverse career opportunities available within the legal field. We are incredibly fortunate to have with us a panel of esteemed speakers, renowned experts from prestigious universities. These speakers bring with them a wealth of knowledge, experience, and insights that can greatly aid us in making informed decisions about our future. They are here not just to share their expertise, but also to inspire us and ignite our passion for justice and the law. I would like to give a hearty welcome to all our dignitaries participating schools. The participating schools are Delhi Public School, Mysore, BGS International Public School, Dwarka, New Delhi, Mysore School, Noida, Ramesh International School, Greater Noida, Grand Columbus International School, Faridabad, the Orchid School, Banner, Pune, Ramjas International School, New Delhi, K.R. Mangalam World School, Gurgaon, St. Thomas School, Najafgarh, Delhi Public School, Bangalore South, GK Gurukul, Pune, St. Thomas School, Delhi. I would also like to invite a hearty welcome to all our dignitaries. Dr. Anand Prakash Sharma, OP Jindal University. A cordial welcome to Professor Naman Shukla, IFIM Law College, Bangalore. A very warm welcome to Miss Ayushi Alliance University, Bangalore. A welcome to Dr. Imran, Sushant University, Gurugram. We owe a special thanks to EduTV, the organizer of this session. With a viewership spanning millions across 58 countries, EduTV has consistently provided a platform for young minds to access top-notch educational content and career guidance. Their dedication to empowering students worldwide is truly commendable. During this session, we will delve into several key topics. The first one is insights into legal education. What does it take to become a lawyer? What are the steps involved from entering the law school to passing the bar exam? Our speakers will provide a detailed roadmap of the legal education process, shedding light on what we can expect at each stage. Career opportunities within the legal field. The legal profession is vast and diverse. Whether you are interested in corporate law, criminal law, environmental law, or human rights, there is a place for you. Our experts will discuss the various career paths available, helping you understand where your interest might best fit. The third one is dispelling common myths. There are many misconceptions about the legal profession, such as the notion that it's all about arguing in the court or that it requires a certain personality type. Our speakers will debunk these myths, providing a cleaner and more accurate picture of what it means to be a lawyer. I encourage each and every one of you to take full advantage of this session. Don't hesitate to ask questions, no matter how big or small they may seem. This is your chance to interact with some of the best minds in the field, to clarify your doubts and to gain insights that could guide your future choice. Remember, the only foolish question is the one that goes unasked. So let's be curious, let's inquisitive, and let's make the most of this unique opportunity. Together, we can uncover the possibilities that a career in law holds, and perhaps some of us may even discover our true calling. Thank you.
EDU TV with 1 million eyeballs across the globe.
Connecting schools, universities, industries, and corporate houses.